So I'm resting in bed and I hear this noise all of a sudden. And in my head, I thought it was no big deal. I mean, houses creak all the time. No biggie. Yet. But then I heard this other noise, and it's not one of the normal creaking housing noises. So I'm starting to freak out a little bit. So I get out of bed and I tiptoe slowly toward the stairwell and try to be as quiet as I can. Because if it's a mouse, I don't want them to use those big old Mickey Mouse ears to hear me.
Can you hear me now?
I hit the first stair step. It creaks. So then I hit the second stair step. Creak. By the time I hit that third stair step, I knew something was seriously wrong. My stomach dropped. My heart was beating so fast it felt like it was in my throat. I really couldn't believe what I was seeing, but it was too late to run. Whew, last night I had beef tacos for dinner and boy was it good. Confused? Annoyed? You should be. See, I just set you up with a really good introduction and then I changed topics suddenly. Now, I know what beef tacos have to do with my story, but you don't know that because I've done a really poor job of making my story flow. Try to think of your essays this way. See, when you write a killer essay, don't assume that the reader automatically knows how your paragraphs are connecting. To avoid sounding scatterbrained in your essays, make the last sentence of your paragraph flow into the next paragraph. Your essay should be like a conversation, or better yet, a really put together story. One paragraph should flow into the other without the topic appearing to change. Because just like I've annoyed you at the beginning of this video with my story and changing topics, your teachers are annoyed when you start writing one paragraph about the color red and the very next paragraph about the Migos. Hey, I hope that this tip has been really helpful for you. As many of you may know, I'm a private online writing tutor and my specialization is essays, middle school essays in particular. So if your middle schooler needs some extra help, feel free to look in the description box for my contact information. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.